Good morning, boys and girls. It is now Thursday, so happy Thursday. As you can recall, we have been learning about George Washington Carver and his significance or his importance to history. So I want you to think and maybe discuss with your mom or your dad or anybody who's there with you about anything you can recall or remember about this scientist. I also want you to take a look at this picture right here and think about what you see in the picture. You notice on this car, or I guess truck right here, it says the Booker T. Washington Agricultural School on Wheels. So Booker T. Washington was the man who invited George Washington Carver to attend the Tuskegee Institute. So today we're going to think about a time and a place in which we lived and how he was able to make such an impact even though there was no TV, there was no radio or cell phones, there wasn't the internet for him to spread all of his knowledge about farming. So he went around in this truck to spread the word. So take a look at the picture and see, what do you see? Then I want you to go to this page and think about everything that you have learned about George Washington Carver. And on this list right here, as you'll notice, there's 5 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to write a list of 5 words that come to your mind when you think about his accomplishments, everything that he did, and what he offered people living during his lifetime.